Tired of straining your eyes while scrolling Facebook at night? Imagine browsing Facebook without the harsh white glare, relaxing for your eyes and sleek for your feed. Today, I'll show you how to turn on Facebook dark mode on any device, step by step, in 2026. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we turn normal Facebook users into smart, tech-savvy pros. In this video, I'll walk you through enabling dark mode on mobile, desktop, and tablets, quickly, safely, and professionally. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your device. Step 2. Open menu. Tap the three-dot menu, top right on mobile. This opens Facebook's main menu where all settings are located. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap. Settings and Privacy. Settings. Step 4. Open Preferences. Scroll to find Preferences, then tap it. Before we dive in, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for all the latest Facebook tips, tricks, and privacy hacks. Hit the bell icon to never miss simple but powerful tutorials. Now let's switch your Facebook to dark mode. Step 5. Enable dark mode. Tap dark mode, then switch it on. Boom! Your Facebook app is now in sleek dark mode. Extra tips and benefits. Reduces eye strain during nighttime browsing. Conserves battery life on OLED screens. Gives a modern, sleek look to your Facebook feed. Makes scrolling more comfortable for long sessions. Now you know how to enable dark mode on Facebook on any device, mobile, tablet, or desktop. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share it with friends who spend long hours on Facebook. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more tech tricks, tips, and Facebook hacks. Remember, dark mode isn't just style, it's smart scrolling.